Okay, so in this segment, we'll learn some basic formula of Excel, like the sum, average, maximum, minimum, and the count. Okay, these formula. So now let's first talk about the sum formula. So we'll now get the total, let's say, number of works of total number of hours of work, total income, and taxes to be paid, total number of taxes to be paid. Okay, total. And then so to you calculate the total, we'll use formula sum. Okay, so for this we'll need equal sign, and then okay, so for this we will need an equal sign first, and then we will write the formula sum. Okay, so here the Excel, this it recommended as like the relevant formula that could be that can best make the best sense, right, for this data set. So it's showing us the recommending us the relevant formula, but we need the specific like sum formula. Okay, so here again it is showing us a short description, a short documentation about the sum formula, like the text number 1 and number 2, and and it adds all the numbers in a range of cells. Okay, so now we need to select range. So we are going to since we are we need to like get the sum of the or total of the number of total of hours of worked. So we'll add we'll like select range D2 to D81. So to select it in shortcut, I will select first this first row, first cell, and then I'll click press Ctrl Shift and down arrow. So it will automatically select the range here. Now I will press enter. So it is showing us the total hours of all the employee, the sum of the hours of work of all employees. Okay, and we'll now previously we were doing like the autofill thing vertically. Now we'll do this same thing horizontally. So we need to just move our pointer to this position where it will convert into this sign, and then drag this horizontally. Okay, and it will automatically generate the total the sum formula, apply the sum formula for this total income and taxes to be paid column. Okay, and in this calculate average, we will use average function. Average the similarly we'll need to select range here. So our range, to select range, we will first select this first cell, and then we'll press Ctrl Shift down key, down arrow, to select all the range. Here we'll get the average value of this, like average total hours of worked for all employees, and we'll do the same, apply the same formula for other two columns by applying this autofill okay function. And then we'll now get the highest hours of work, like which employee got the has the maximum number of hours, right, of worked. So for this to get this we'll use highest or the maximum function. So use equal sign and max function or max formula. Here similarly we need to give range. The range would be D2 from to we use colon, okay, to like represent range. Here D81. Okay, now if we press enter, so it's showing us the maximum the highest total hours of work is 196. So one employee, there is one employee who worked maximum of 196 hours. Okay, and we will similarly get the highest income and highest taxes paid is 5610 and 392.7. Okay, now to calculate the minimum or the lowest, we will use the formula mean or minimum, and we will select similarly the range d2 colon d81 and enter. So the minimum, the lowest value is 12 for total hours of work, and similarly we will do this for other two columns. Okay, and to count apply count of employee, we need to apply count formula. So press equal sign and enter count. Again similarly we need to, so here we need to select the names. Okay, range of names. So with here press enter. So it's showing us 0. Actually one thing is very important, you should know, like here we applied count function formula in this name column. Okay, so one thing you should get into your head, like this count formula is not worked for like non-numerical or string or text data type. So what I'm trying to say is we need to change this column, okay, data type, like it is now in text or string or object. Now we need to change it to numerical to apply count formula. Now let's change the range. Now let's say let's use this index. Okay, so press Ctrl Shift down arrow, and now press enter. So showing that there are total 80 employee in this like in the company. Okay, and okay, so there are total 80 employee. Okay, here again this is 0 because we have got, like we are selecting the text data type. So guys, this is very important, so keep that in mind. Like this, to use this count, we need to like select numerical data type or non-text non-string data type. Okay, so here I will like give it to like B instead of B, I'll provide C. Okay, good. And then we have successfully applied we have successfully learned how to use how to calculate total, average, highest, lowest, and count of employee number, right?